Valentine Day, so my husband gave me a gift of Chanel. So what is this? It's a VOC. So I ordered from Malaysia, but I couldn't get it. There is no stock. I waited for 3 months. So finally I got it from Paris, and today I'm unboxing it in Amsterdam. It's taken me about 2 days after I bought it, then I'm really opening it. So we're gonna open it now. Ta-da! Wow, it's freezing cool, man. So we have a bag here, cover it, and this is I got it from they gave me from the Chanel from the box, but apparently it's dirty already. And this is the warranty card, and how do you get of this Chanel. And this is my bag. My husband gave it to me. It's a VOC. Okay, should get it from here. Ta-da! It's a VOC caviar leather, and it's super cool. You have a pocket here, you have 6 credit card slots here, and you have a pouch to open it here, and there is a zip inside here to put things at the back here, and you have one more last pouch here. Thank you, my husband gave me this gift, and it's nice.